bum life, that's what I live by.
I think your mom is gonna come in after she gets out of church.
Yeah, she's gonna try to come and interrupt us, but we're gonna be sleeping like little babies.
She gonna come in though.
Let her come in, cause I'm gonna be sleeping like a little cute adorable baby.
That's a funny ass voice.
Thanks, man. I'm stoned right now. I'm doing the Bum Life song right now. I'm on Bum Life, my guy. You guys think I'm ugly? You think I'm ugly? I'm ugly and I'm proud. I'm ugly and I'm proud. I'm like SpongeBob that one time. You remember when he do that, dude? Yeah, man.
SpongeBob says.
So what you doing there, man? Just rolling a little doobie?
Yep.
Yeah, dude. Show 'em how it's done, man.
Making this shit professional right now.
Nice glasses you got there, buddy.
Thanks, dude.
Make you look, sophisticated.
Thank you. Everybody has to wear glasses one of these days. Some people do.
Yeah, man.
I get what I lost my vision, bro.
Yeah, man. So tell them how you started losing your vision.
When I was in that fucking poison camp.
Yeah, they give him these pills to take. Next thing you know, the poor guy starts losing his vision.
What the fuck is wrong with the government, man? They're trying to fucking kill me.
They're out to get us. Somebody help! What am I gonna do? Why should I worry? Why should I care? It's just a great population, and I got streets I'm walking. Why should I worry? Yeah, why should I care? It's just a great population, and I got streets I'm walking. Ooh, 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 ooh. Say ooh, ah, ooh, 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 ooh. Say ooh, 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 ooh. Say ooh, ah, ooh.